Welcome to Vision Vauxhall. We're here looking at this Vauxhall Cascada. The colour is Purple Fiction and the engine is a 1.4 petrol engine. Registration number is HW14FBL. So if we take a look around the car now, you can see the alloy wheels. You can see around the rear of the vehicle with the roof down. Going onto the driver's side, there you can see the cloth interior on the rear seats, and the same interior is carried on through to the front seats. This vehicle currently has 14,312 miles on the clock, and some of the features include Bluetooth, cruise control, rear parking sensors, an electronic parking brake and many more.